Good morning students. It's time for your English class. Today we will discuss your chapter number 6, page number 32 exercise. So let's start. First of all, open your book on your page number 32. Here given a exercise which is B. Question is identify the errors and rewrite these sentences. Here you have to identify the errors. Error means the thing which are wrong here. Means the noun which are mentioned singular or plural, they are wrong here. You have to identify them. It means also mistake. For example, first is the sentence is the babies cried loudly as their toys were broken. So here in this sentence there are two errors, babies and toys also. So you have to first in your book underline these errors. Means you have to identify these mistakes which are they. Same things you will do in your book also. That exercise you will solve in your book. ये जो एक्सरसाइज है आप अपनी बुक में सोल्व करोगे. सबसे पहले आप जो एरर्स है जहाँ मिस्टेक है उन वर्ड्स को अंडरलाइन करोगे एंड द अबाउ साइड, उसके अबाउ साइड फिर आप उसको करेक्शन करके करेक्ट वर्ड लिखोगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट वर्ड इज द बेबीज क्राइड लाउडली एज देयर टॉयज वर ब्रोकन. सो हियर बेबीज विल कम. Spelling will be babies. Y we will change into I and we will add es also. Next is toys. So here only toys. We will not add es because why before here vowel we are getting. Next is the thieves. So here F we will change in V and we will also add es according to our rule when we change singular to plural. So here same things we will do. Thieves. And next is the thieves broke open the lockers and stole the ring. So here lockers means open the lock. Locks and stole the ring. Next is the passengers were waiting for their trains at the station. So here passengers. So two as here. So that is also here. That is also here error. So what will you do? Passengers. Correct spelling will be P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R-S. Single S you will write here. Next is trains. T-R-A-I-N-E-S. So what will you write here? T-R-A-I-N. Train plural will be trains. E you will replace inside of it. Next is fourth. Rene loved stories about fairies and elf. So here stories. Same thing we will do. S-T-O-R-I-E-S. Stories. Y we will change into I and we will also add es. Here fairy. Fairies. F-A-I-R-I-E-S. Fairies means होता है परी. And elf. Elf we will do elves. So it means जो बोने लोग होते हैं that we are using that word elves. Next is Nishu cut the tomatoes in halves. So here tomatoes you will do es you will add here that and with all letter. So correct T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S. Tomatoes. And here half that you will do halves. And we will change into V and we will also add a es here. Next is sixth sentence. The deers were hidden behind the bushes. So here deers. Deer singular also. Deer D-E-E-R and its plural will be also same. Deer singular and plural will be same in both conditions. So here we will replace as D-E-E-R. The deer were hidden behind the bushes. So here B-U-S-H-E-S. Bushes. E-S we will add. I inside of it. This is your error. Next is 7 number sentence. The loaf of bread. We never count a bread, two bread, three bread. we always count the bread in a loaf. जो आपके पैकेट होता है ब्रेड का वो हमेशा लॉफ में काउंट किया जाता है, a loaf of bread. And we also can count a single piece of bread, so that we will use a slice of bread. For that a particular word we will use a slice of bread, and for that packet we will use a loaf of bread. So here loaves are given. So what will you do, students? Here loaf of bread were kept on the shelf. So here SHEL F will be changed into VS. Clear everyone? Next is the heroes were admired by the youth. So here hero HEROES you will add. Heroes were admired by the youth. Next is the ladies played the piano in the music class. So here ladies, what will you do? LADIES. Spelling will be, you will write Y, you will change into I, because Y you are before you are getting consonant. Played the pianos. So here piano PIANO, and you will put only S. ES you will not put, because some words we are not put ES, just like piano, photo, that kind of word we are using only S. Next is last sentences in this exercise is 10. The monkeys, wolves and buffaloes lived in the forest. So here monkeys also wrong spelling. What will you do? MONKEYS. Only because before Y we are getting vowel E. So that's why we will put only S. We will not change Y into I. And same thing we will do with wolf. F we will change into V. And we will add ES also. So wolves, plural will be wolves. And buffaloes, BUFFALOES. Buffaloes lived in the forest. Next is, on your same page, you are getting two more words. They are countable and uncountable. So students, what are they? We can also classify noun into two categories, countable and uncountable. Next is, students, in your book you are getting two words, countable and uncountable. What are these? These are the words which we classify our nouns. For example, on the basis of quantity, we can also classify the nouns, countable and uncountable. So what are countable? The nouns which refers to people or thing that can be counted are called countable nouns. Okay, for example, 5 pencils, 1 dog, etc. Clear? Second is uncountable noun. The noun which refers to the things only and that cannot be counted are called uncountable noun. For example, oil, sugar, wheat, rice, etc. That thing we never count. So that's why they are included in uncountable noun. And your abstract noun also, we also never count them. For example, happiness, love, sad, they all are your abstract noun and we never count that also. So let's start. On the basis of these countable and uncountable noun, here are on page number 33, you are getting one more exercise. So here, look at these pictures. Identify these as countable C or uncountable U. So what will you do? You are getting here lot of pictures. So here, first you are getting a sack of sugar. Sack होता है बोरा, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे जो आपको sugar मिल रही है, वो sugar we never count. So that's why this is uncountable noun. So here on your page number 33, you will mention on picture first UN. Means this is your uncountable noun. So that's why here you will fill U only. For your understanding, I am writing here UN. Second is juice pictures you are getting. So juice also your uncountable noun. You will write here U. Third is a basket of vegetables you are getting. So vegetables you can count. So that's why you will write here C. Fourth is candies you are getting. So candy you can also count. So here you will also write C. Next is fifth number. Pictures you are getting butter. So butter you never count. So this is your uncountable noun. Next is some breads you are getting. So here loaf of bread. So bread also your uncountable noun. Next is 7 on your page number 34. Here you are getting a picture cup of tea. So a cup of tea is uncountable noun. So here you will write U. Next is 8. Here you are getting picture of wheat grains. So here you will write uncountable. We can count a sack of wheat. 2 sack of wheat मीन्स बोरे में हम वीट को काउंट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ग्रेन्स को हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई वी विल राइट हियर अनकाउंटेबल. सो इसलिए हम इसको अनकाउंटेबल के लिए यू इंडिकेट करेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज 9. 9 इज पिक्चर्स ऑफ टोमेटोज. सो हियर टोमेटोज इज योर काउंटेबल नाउन. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज ऑल्सो A. Question is think of a suitable uncountable noun. So you have to think a suitable uncountable noun. Means आपको uncountable noun सोचना है. For each of the countable nouns in these sentences. यहाँ पर sentences में countable noun दिए गए हैं, उनके लिए एक आपको uncountable noun सोचना है. Use the hints given in the brackets. One has been done for you. और उसके लिए आपको जो रेड वर्डिंग में हिंट्स दिए गए हैं ब्रैकेट में, उनका यूज करना है और ब्रैकेट में फिल करना है. उसके लिए एक आपको यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल के लिए समझाया गया. फर्स्ट इज काउ इज ए काउंटेबल नाउन बट ब्लैंक इज एन अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. हिंट व्हाट इट गिव्स. मीन्स काउ काउंटेबल है तो काउ हमें क्या देती है, मीन्स काउ हमें दूध देती है. सो मिल्क इज योर अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. सो यू विल फिल हियर मिल्क इन सेंटेंस नंबर फर्स्ट. ब्लैंक इज गिवन देयर, वहां पे स्पेस दिया गया है, खाली स्थान दिया गया आपको, तो वहां पे आप मिल्क फिल करोगे. सेकेंड इज ए स्लाइस ऑफ टोस्ट इज ए काउंटेबल नाउन बट ब्रेड इज एन अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. हिंस लॉफ ऑफ ब्रेड. सो ब्रेड को हम ए लॉफ ऑफ ब्रेड, 2 लॉफ ऑफ ब्रेड में काउंट कर सकते हैं जब वो उसका पूरा पैकेट होता है. वैसे हम ब्रेड को ए स्लाइस ऑफ ब्रेड, ए टोस्ट ऑफ ब्रेड ऐसे काउंट किया जाता है, और कंप्लीट पैकेट को लोफ के लिए ही काउंट कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज इट विल बी ऑल्सो इन अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. सो सेम थिंग हियर. ए स्लाइस ऑफ टोस्ट इज ए काउंटेबल नाउन बट ब्रेड इज अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. सो हियर you will fill bread upper side and down side, because here you are getting 2 blank for the same thing. In hint you also getting blank. Third number sentence is umbrella is a countable noun but blank is an uncountable noun. Hint is what it protect us from. कि अम्ब्रेला हमारी किससे प्रोटेक्शन करता है, किससे बचाता है. सो अम्ब्रेला सेव अस फ्रॉम रेन, रेन से बचाता है. सो हियर अनकाउंटेबल नाउन विल बी रेन यू विल फिल इन थर्ड नंबर सेंटेंस. फोर्थ इज कार इज ए काउंटेबल नाउन बट ब्लैंक इज एन अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. हिंट इज व्हाट द कार नीड्स टू रन. कि कार को किसकी जरूरत होती है, दौड़ने के लिए, चलने के लिए. कि कार किस पे चलती है, किस पे रन करती है, रोड पे. सो यू विल फिल इन फोर्थ नंबर सेंटेंस रोड, एंड रोड इज योर अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. फिफ्थ इज फैक्ट्री इज ए काउंटेबल नाउन बट ब्लैंक इज एन अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. कि जो फैक्ट्री है वो काउंटेबल में इंक्लूड होती है, लेकिन वट इट एमिट्स. एमिट्स मीन्स ये किसका उत्सर्जन करती है, क्या निकालती है, फैक्ट्री से क्या निकलता है. फैक्ट्री से पोल्यूशन निकलता है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. सो यू कैन राइट हियर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन फिफ्थ नंबर सेंटेंस. एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज ए अनकाउंटेबल नाउन, हम उसको काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज 6. कप इज ए काउंटेबल नाउन. कप को आप काउंट कर सकते हो, काउंटेबल होता है, बट ब्लैंक इज एन अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. वट वी ड्रिंक इन इट. सो कप में हम क्या पीते हैं, हम पीते हैं टी, कॉफी. सो you will write here tea. Tea is an uncountable noun. 7 is purse is a countable noun. पर्स आपका काउंटेबल होता है, बट blank is an uncountable noun. What we keep in it. कि पर्स में हम क्या रखते हैं, we keep in it money. So money is your uncountable noun. In 7 number sentence you will fill. Next is 8th. Apple is a countable noun, but blank is an uncountable noun. So here you will fill juice. Apple से क्या, what we make from it? Apple से क्या बनाते हैं हम? जूस बनाते हैं. तो जूस आपका uncountable noun है. 9 number sentence. Candy is a countable noun, but blank is an uncountable noun. What it is made of? कि कैंडी किससे बनती है? कैंडी शुगर से बनती है. So sugar is your uncountable noun. So here 9 number sentence you will fill word sugar. 10 is tree is a countable noun, but blank is an uncountable noun. What it is? Release. कि ये क्या छोड़ते हैं, ये क्या प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. तो ट्री से क्या निकलता है? ऑक्सीजन. ट्री गिव्स अस ऑक्सीजन. सो हियर यू विल फिल ऑक्सीजन. इट इज रिलीज. ये छोड़ते हैं. सो हियर ऑक्सीजन इज योर अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. यू विल फिल. नेक्स्ट इज ऑन योर पेज नंबर 35. Exercise is solve the crossword with words from the books. The clues will help you. So here you have to solve this crossword and the clue will help you, which are given here in yellow wording books. Here some words are bale, loaf, pinch, bars, mug, bottles, morsel, piece, jars, tube. So here across and down red wording are given. So what will you do, student? Here firstly you will fill, after that you will solve in that puzzle. Next question is B, which is on your page number 35. Solve the crossword with words from the books. Here you are given in yellow color some words. The clues will help you. Some words are, for example, bale, loaf, pinch, bars, mugs, bottles, morsel, piece, jars, tube. So here given some blank also. For example, a blank of coffee. Across means you have to fill in that puzzle where from left side to right side, and downward also, upper side to below side you will fill. In which type of letter? Capital letter you have to use to fill this puzzle, which is mentioned on your page number 35. So here what will you do? Firstly across you will fill. A blank of coffee means a mug of coffee. So here in your puzzle you will fill number 1, mug of coffee. So across means you have to fill left side to right side. You have to fill horizontal. Clear everyone? Next is second number, 3 blank of milk. So here you will fill 3 bottles of milk in second number across. Clear? Spelling you will write. Third is 6th number given here, and I am telling it's third. Okay, 6th number is a blank of bread. So here you will fill a loaf of bread. Loaf you will fill. So here LOAF. Next 7 is a blank of cake, a piece of cake. Piece you will fill. So PIECE you will fill in this puzzle here. Next is 8. Question is 2 blank of soap. Soap means होता है साबुन. बार जो आपका वो होता है सोप बार, उसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं 2 bars. So here 2 given. So you will fill bars in 8 number. Across you will fill BARS here. Next is, now come on downside. First is a blank of food, a morsel of food. So here you will fill downside 1 number MORSEL. Second is a blank of cotton. So a bale of cotton. Here in second number you will fill BALE. Downside. Upper side to downside you will come. Next is a tube of toothpaste. So here tube you will fill TUB. In third number TUB. Next is fourth number 4 blank of jam. So here 4 jars of jam. Jars you will fill in fourth number. So here JARS. Next is fifth. A blank of salt. A pinch of salt. Salt को हम pinch चुटकी में कहते हैं ना, एक चुटकी भर salt. So आप here भी यहाँ पे in fifth number pinch PINCH. You will come upper side to bottom side. down side U will come. And you will fill that cross puzzle also. Next, last question is, identify the highlighted noun as countable C. In C number exercise, you have given some red wording which you have to identify as countable C. काउंटेबल के लिए आपको सी का यूज करना है एंड अनकाउंटेबल के लिए यूज का यूज करना है, जो आप ऑलरेडी कर चुके हो पिक्चर्स में. सो हियर आर गिवन द डिफरेंस ओनली रेड वर्डिंग, हियर नॉट पिक्चर यू आर गेटिंग. द चिल्ड्रन वर प्लेइंग इन द ट्रेन. सो चिल्ड्रन वर्ड हियर इज countable noun. So for that I am writing here C. First is countable. Next is second number. I drink milk every day. Milk is uncountable. Okay. Second number you will fill uncountable. You will write at the end of the sentence. Yeah, you can write upper side of this red wording. Children के ऊपर भी you लिख सकते हो, milk के ऊपर भी, चिल्ड्रन के ऊपर आप सी लिख सकते हो, मिल्क के ऊपर यू लिख सकते हो. एंड सेकेंड थर्ड इज साइंटिस्ट. सो साइंटिस्ट आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड ए सॉल्यूशन फॉर ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. साइंटिस्ट काउंटेबल. फोर्थ, टर्न योर पेज ऑन 36. आई मिक्स द बटर इन द मिक्सचर ऑफ फ्लोर, सुगर एंड एग्स टू मेक द बैटर. सो एग्स इज योर countable noun. Fourth. Fifth is Rahul applied glue on one side of cutouts and pasted them on a chart paper. So here glue is also your uncountable noun. Sixth is the policemen were marching towards the camp. So policeman is here countable noun. Next is 7 number. The trainer advised Susan some exercises for the back act. So here exercise is your uncountable noun. Next is open all the doors and the windows. Windows is your countable noun. 8th is your countable. Then 9 is could you get me some juice please. Juice is your uncountable. And last 10 is your oil. Oil is also your uncountable. Meeta dropped some oil while pouring it into the can. Pouring means fill karna, bharna, flow में. So here 10 is also your after 9 uncountable. So you will write U on the oil. So this chapter is finished today, students. So you all will fill that chapter exercise in your book in neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.